Hey people, so I'm here with these little rabbits, and as you can see, this is like a children's park, and they are adorable. They both want to sit on my lap, and that's what it's a bright early morning. It's 7:15 in the morning. It's a and that's what you could barely see. I mean, I have these apartments at the back, but there are these very impressive rock structures. Now they built a wall, which is in fact a good thing because then it prevents people from just. Land is such a see. I'm surrounded by shrubs, but it is nice, and I have these two cute little souls with me. Both want to be on my lap, it looks like, because the ground is a bit wet. I think it's the early morning dew. So, yeah, but take a look at them, yeah. They are just adorable. I have to say this, that all my life, for some strange reason, uh, one feels kind of nervous to step out anywhere alone. Not out of any thing. It's just a very weird thing. I've never really, uh, you know, stepped out and met people and all of that. So now at this age, it's nice to be able to do these things. So really, people, so you can see this little guy. I think my next video will be only about them without me appearing in the frame. I woke up and put makeup and all on my face because I felt I'll be coming in the video. But yeah, this is how these two young people are, and it's just fun hanging out with them. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.